standing all alone. With every step I walk this broken road, the weight of war is heavy on my soul, but I won't let it take the lie I hold. Through the fire and the storm I rise, no fear can shake the strength inside. I'm just a soldier trying to save my home. Through the darkness I will never roam. With every beat my heart stands tall. I'll fight until the night will fall. The echoes call across the shattered land, a whispered hope I carry